Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a hilarious behind-the-scenes moment from the set of All's Fair, the new legal drama by Ryan Murphy that stars Sarah Paulson and Kim Kardashian. You might think a show about powerful divorce attorneys would be all tension and seriousness, but one particular scene proved that even the most professional actors can lose control when laughter takes over. During a recent interview promoting All's Fair, Sarah Paulson opened up about a moment that had both her and Kim Kardashian laughing so hard they could barely breathe. Or, as Sarah put it, "We were literally choking with laughter." It happened while filming one of their most intense scenes together. The two actresses were facing off as rival lawyers, delivering heated lines across a courtroom. Everything was going smoothly until, in the middle of shouting her lines, Sarah accidentally sent a tiny piece of potato chip flying straight onto Kim's face. Sarah recalled that Kim stayed in character for a split second, trying to ignore what had just happened, but it was impossible to keep a straight face. Within seconds, both of them burst into uncontrollable laughter. The entire set reportedly stopped because neither of them could continue. Sarah joked that the moment was caught on camera, and she's been begging Ryan Murphy to release the footage because, as she put it, "It's honestly some of the best TV we've ever made, just not the kind anyone expected." The story quickly went viral because it revealed a more lighthearted side to the usually polished and composed Kim Kardashian. Fans are used to seeing her perfectly poised in front of cameras, whether in fashion shoots or interviews, but according to Sarah, Kim was laughing just as hard as anyone else. She described Kim as a true professional who knows when to focus and when to just enjoy the moment. She was so prepared, always on time, and completely ready to work. But she also knew how to laugh at herself, Sarah said proudly. The funny moment also offered fans a glimpse into the real bond forming between the two stars. On screen, they might be legal rivals, but off-camera, they've built a friendship rooted in respect and humor. Sarah even admitted that she was surprised by how quickly Kim adapted to the demanding schedule of television filming. Balancing her other commitments, from family life to her studies and businesses, Kim still managed to deliver strong performances every day. The All's Fair set has become known for its mix of drama and laughter, and this incident seems to perfectly sum that up. Sarah said that everyone on set had moments where they couldn't stop giggling, but this one, in particular, was unforgettable because it showed how laughter can break even the most serious moments. For Sarah, it was a reminder that acting isn't just about delivering lines. It's about human connection, chemistry, and sometimes unexpected comedy. As fans eagerly await the show's release, stories like this make it even more exciting to see how Sarah and Kim's on-screen rivalry will play out. If their behind-the-scenes energy is anything to go by, All's Fair will not only be filled with drama and style, but also plenty of real moments that reflect the fun they had making it. So, what do you think about this hilarious moment between Sarah Paulson and Kim Kardashian? Have you ever had a time where laughter completely took over in a serious situation? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts, because stories like this remind us that even the biggest stars can find themselves laughing uncontrollably in the middle of the spotlight.